Hey guys, Ella here. Welcome to this video. Welcome to day number 9 in this series of building a 10K per month online business from scratch. Now we've covered a lot in the last week, in the last 8 days. You've selected what service you're going to sell. We've talked about creating that highly irresistible offer. We've talked about having a simple sales process to send people through and present them with your offer. That sales process can literally be as simple as adding somebody as a friend on Facebook, striking up a conversation. Conversations equal conversions through Messenger, getting them on a phone call and presenting them with your offer. The more times you can present your offer, ultimately, the more money you're going to make. We've talked about a free traffic method that's really effective to get people into your sales process, finding out where your avatar exists online, joining those congregations, joining those discussions, and then adding those people as friends. And lastly, we've talked about the importance of branding, building that personal brand, because if you're selling your service, you're not really just selling your service, you're selling yourself. So it's important to look at yourself as a brand and start working on building that strong personal brand. So we have covered quite a lot over the past week, and it's really easy when you're just starting out to feel overwhelmed, not knowing what to do, having 10,000 different thoughts go through your brain about actually what actions that you need to take to start seeing results quickly. And that's what this program, this 30-day series is all about. It's about trying to get your results fast. What I really want to talk with you about today is the importance of developing your own power list. This is a concept I learned. It's called the power list, and it is really effective. While there might be 10,000 things you might be able to do, when you actually think about what it's going to take to get results, really it's probably going to boil down to about 3, 4, 5, or maybe even 6 different tasks that you have to complete every single day, no matter what, to get results. Okay, so no matter if there's an earthquake, a tsunami, okay, you have to complete your power list every single day, and having that consistency is really going to get that momentum for you, because as you start your journey is going to look a lot like this, slowly, and you might not see any results for a little while, but then what happens is over time you start getting more and more momentum and you get exponential growth and you start really seeing results fast and your results start to skyrocket. But you have to put in the work down here to actually get to that exponential growth curve, okay? Because if you quit here, you're never gonna get here. Having a power list and understanding that you have to consistently execute on these set tasks every single day is going to be really important to your success. So I'm going to show you the simple power list that I recommend you use at the beginning, okay? And this was the power list that I used when I first started, and it worked extremely well for me when I was selling my service, funnel builds to chiropractors, okay? This is a power list that you can use, and you can create your own, but these are definitely some things that I would recommend having on your power list. So this is what you're going to have to complete every single day to really get momentum. You know, you have to hold yourself accountable to this. If you're going to do this for just 3 days and then quit, I wouldn't even start. It's not even worth starting. You have to be doing this every single day. Your power list can change and it will evolve over time depending on where you are in your journey, but you have to have a power list because it really simplifies things and it helps reduce confusion and overwhelm. This is a power list that I recommend you use. Before we get stuck into it, if you're enjoying these videos and you want some one-on-one help building your business, go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com. We can create you a customized game plan and help you one-on-one every single day build your business. A power list that you can use. What I would be doing is I would be recording one video each day and putting that on YouTube, okay? Like we talked about yesterday, leveraging content is extremely important. A video exactly like this one that I'm filming right now, this is gonna be on YouTube and exist on YouTube for the next 20, 30, 40, 50 years or more. So it's always going to be there working for me in the background. And your video can literally be simple as providing some value, exactly what I'm doing here, and then having a simple call to action on the top, just like I'm doing here. That can be like, if you're interested, send me an email, or if you're interested, send me a friend request on Facebook, or if you have a sales funnel, you can put the link to that sales funnel in your video somewhere, and it doesn't have to be super complicated. So simple videos like this are really a great way to get clients. Provide value in the start of your video, middle of your video, and the end of your video. Have a very simple call to action and just tell people about your service. Don't be afraid to sell. The next thing that I would be recommending for you to do every single day is send 30 friend requests. Be direct messaging people on Facebook as well. So not just adding them as friends, but also once they're a friend, messaging them, reaching out, connecting with them, having a real conversation. Because the more conversations you can have, the more conversions you will get. Okay, so sending 30 friend requests each day and direct messaging those people once they've accepted your friend requests, because then your message will go into their inbox. The next one is getting on 2 calls per day. Okay, like I mentioned before, the more times you can present your offer to somebody, the more money you're going to make. And getting on a call is one of the most effective ways to sell people. It's far more effective than just sending somebody to an order page. Actually getting on the phone with somebody, it's what I do, works extremely well. The next one is working on your sales funnel. So if you want an example of kind of what a sales funnel looks like, go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com and you can check out my sales funnel, right? You can check out the sales page, how I send people to a little application. That's a sales funnel. It's an automated process, and you want to work on that every single day, because you don't want to be sending 30 friend requests and direct messages for the rest of your life. You want to work on building an automated machine that will more or less do it all for you. So you don't have to spend your time getting friends and people to see to your sales process and to see your offer. You have a far more automated system in place that does it all for you. Now, I didn't say finish your sales funnel, because that is a little bit not realistic, especially when you're starting out. Sales funnels can take quite a bit of work to build, but they are well worth it. So every single day, even if it's just 30 minutes or an hour, dedicate a little bit of time to building that machine, so one day it's ready and then you don't have to send those 30 friend requests. And lastly is just make one value post on your Instagram page or your Facebook page. Know that if you're adding people as friends on Facebook, if you provide one post with an image and some text, and you can have a call to action in that text as well, saying DM me ready if you're ready to start or something like that. But having one value post per day is just another way of leveraging that content, getting in front of people. So this is a power list that I would recommend you use, okay? If you were to literally execute on this power list for the next 3 months, 90 days, you would really start seeing results, okay? If every day you could put a tick, 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 the next day, tick, 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 tick. If you could do that and just keep adding ticks, you would see massive results pretty quickly. Most people watching this video, and I'm well aware of this, most people watching this video are not going to put in the consistency and the work required to get these results. There's probably going to be literally 1% of the people who watch this video. So for every 100 people, maybe one person, if that, is going to actually put in the work to get this done. But if you're really serious about changing your life, improving your situation, this is what you have to do. Keep it simple and just execute on these simple tasks every single day and hold yourself accountable. You can take a screenshot of this power list, write it down, and just start executing on it every single day. And over time, you will start building that momentum and you will see your results really skyrocket. So that's it for this video, guys. If you need any help building your business, if you need any help creating your irresistible offer, if you need any help working out who your avatar is, if you need any help building an automated sales process, okay? I can show you how to build an automated sales process straight away so you don't have to worry about the direct messages. Go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com right now, schedule a call. We'd be happy to have a chat with you and help you build your business to that 10K per month mark or more. So that's it from me, guys. I will see you tomorrow and I'll talk to you then. Bye.